Hey traders, this is Eamon from FX VPS, and in this video, we're going to show you how to set up your VPS while using a Mac. After you've purchased your VPS, you should receive an email. And as I was stating, you should get an email that says your server is now ready. If you haven't received it, there might be another one asking for which broker so that we can provide you with the correct server location for your broker to get the best latency. If you haven't received either one of those emails, please reach out to support. You can get them on live chat via replying back to any one of these emails or creating a ticket in our back office. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this email. And you can see here some basic information, the IP address of the VPS, the username, and the password. Also a quick link to download it, and then instructions on how to get started if you're a Mac or a Windows user. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up the App Store and search for Microsoft Remote Desktop, like so. And it should be the first result. And mine says open, yours will probably say install. Go ahead and install it. And it will either be in your applications or it'll drop down here. I have it ready here. So the first thing we're going to do here is add PC. We want to go ahead and label this FX VPS, VPS server 1. Okay. And we're going to go here, select this IP address, copy, Control C, or Command C, copy, and paste it in here. And then we need to go here and add a user account. This way you don't have to keep typing in the credentials every single time. The username will be trader. And then once again, copy the password. Just make sure that you haven't added a space either side of this password when copying it. And then we're going to call this friendly name FX VPS user 1. Go ahead and click add. If you need to change the naming of this, it's very simple. You can go to Microsoft Remote Desktop in the top left, preferences, and I'll let you go ahead and change the user account information here. As we've got in the name, the username and password, we've got a friendly name so we can go ahead and see it. We're good to click add. You'll see it pop up here. Let's go ahead and double click on it. It will create this prompt. You can go ahead and click continue to ignore it. And there you have it. We're now in our VPS and you can start trading or downloading any additional EAs that you have or indicators, and then using some of the tools. We also have a link here to contact FX VPS from your desktop to make it a lot easier. There's one last thing I'd like to mention in this video, and that is how you disconnect from the VPS is very, very important. Your VPS is running 24/7, 7 days a week without fail. And you need to make sure that your trades are still running in the background. The way to do that is you'll have your desktop here, and just to disconnect from it, you'll click this X here and your VPS is still running. You don't need to always be connected to it for things to happen. It is running in the background. That way you can switch off your computer, go do what you need to, log in remotely, and still have everything running successfully in the background. If you ever need to restart your machine, you'll go ahead and click restart. Don't do disconnect either, because then it will actually shut your login session down and close your trades and close the apps that are running on your server. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to see more useful tips using a Forex VPS or a VPS in general, please subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in using one of our VPSs, you can try us out for 7 days for just $1.99. Any questions or issues you have, we have our 24-hour live chat support as well as email that are available for any time, any question.